What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So this video is gonna be a little bit different. It's just gonna be a sit down video, and I'm just gonna talk to you about this rug tufting stuff. As far as if I've made money back, am I still in the red? Is it worth it? When did I start? Shipping stuff. What do I think so far? So on and so forth. So if you're interested, stay tuned, and then we'll just get started right now. All right, so I'm planning of doing another video like this in the future, but I just thought it would be a good idea to do it now, and then in the future look back at this video and see the differences from the beginning to the end. So yeah, so rug tufting, when did I get into it? I saw someone post a carpet like in June or July. I saw their description and I saw that it said rug tufting, and then I was like, okay, cool, what is this? I looked it up, did a little bit of research, and yeah, I was kind of interested. There was very little to none information out there at the time, but I did find out what that was, and I did know what to buy. But it took me about 2.5 months, maybe 3 months to actually purchase the tufting gun. I just wasn't sure if I wanted to buy it and if I wanted to embark that journey. But I did. I ended up buying my tufting gun, I believe mid-October, and I got it about a month later. And then I started on my rugs. So the rugs, just like everyone else, I messed up 1,000 times. I ripped my cloth. I was frustrated. Didn't think I was gonna be able to do it, but I mean, I'm doing them pretty well now, if you ask me. I mean, I don't think my rugs are that bad. But yeah, so it took me about a month to get the gun, and then I did about 8 rugs. I messed up about 3 rugs. But I mean, I learned as I went along, and yeah, now I'm here. Have I sold any rug? I've made 8 rugs, and those rugs that I made are still sitting in my living room. I have not sold those. It took me a long time to create them, and they're really good rugs. They just haven't sold. So a tip for you guys would be, do not do a handful of rugs because you're not sure if people are going to buy them. Now, I'm still hopeful that people are going to buy those rugs. I just feel like not enough people have seen what I have, so they haven't basically seen what I'm offering to sell. But I am hopeful that they are going to sell soon. But along with that, yes, I have had commissions. At this moment, during this recording, I've had, give me 1 second. Okay, since I've made those 8 rugs and those haven't sold, I have had commissions, and I've had so far 5 commission rugs, and I've sold those rugs for a total of around, let's see, 850 for 5 commissioned rugs. Yeah, some of them I basically hooked the person up, others I lost money. I just feel like at the moment, I don't want to lose customers. So either I break even, but I feel like at the moment, a lot of people are seeing that this rug stuff is very popular. So they're getting into it and they're charging a super high price, which is good. It's very good. But I do think that putting a high price to these rugs when you start off does scare your customers away. And at least for me, that's not what I want to do. So I'd rather just kind of give them a hookup where I at least make somewhat money back or break even, and then get out there. So yeah, for those 5 rugs I made around 850. So it's okay. Now, along with that, am I in the red or have I made my money back? So you guys need to know now how much money I've spent since the beginning. And this is from like the very beginning, meaning buying the tufting gun, all the monk's cloth that I bought in so far, all the glue, the yarn. I basically went on my bank statement and I wrote everything down. But so far I've wasted $1,875. So yeah, I wasted that much money since then. So therefore I am still in the red. I have not made my money back. So yeah, if you want to get into this, just know that you are going to spend money. So if you're not willing to spend money, probably don't do it unless you're just gonna do it for yourself. But if you're hoping to make money out of it, just be patient. I mean, so far I feel like finally I'm getting some commissions, and that's just because my YouTube has been getting like subscribers and views, and a lot of you have been following me on Instagram, which is good. But it's not as much as I would want. Like, I would have thought at least by now I would have maybe 10, 12 commission rugs, 15 if anything, but I've only had 5 so far. So yeah, I'm still hopeful. So I'm gonna just continue pushing it, and then hopefully in the future I'll make another video, and then we'll see where we stand since then. But yeah, I'm just trying to be very transparent in this video yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, fuck it. I lose money, I lose money. I make money, then I make money. As long as I break even at the end of the day, like say a couple weeks from now, I get like 4 more commissions and I break even finally. And from there on forward, I don't get any more commissions and whatever, cool. At least I broke even, at least I got my money back. Yes, I did waste time, but you know, whatever. So yeah. So these are just a couple questions that I wrote down, so they're like a little bit scattered everywhere. Like I said, this video is just gonna be like free flowing. Is rug tufting hard? It's hard in the beginning, but once you get the hang of it, it's not that hard. It is very tedious, so if you don't have patience, I would probably say don't do it, because it does take up a lot of your time. So if you're not willing to waste your time and hoping that you'll make some money, don't do it, because yeah, you do waste a handful of your time. And yeah, one thing I would say about rug tufting would be, at the moment there is a lot of competition. There's people out there who have a lot of followings on their Instagrams or their YouTubes. So if for some reason you don't know how to like promote yourself or whatever it is, post on YouTube and make good content, good luck, because this is speaking from my perspective. On my Instagram, I have 14,200 or 300 subscribers, and even having that many followers, I don't get a lot of commissioned work. And to top it off, obviously I have friends, as you guys saw in my previous video, who are social media influencers and are on YouTube. They gave me a shout out on their streams. And yes, I did gain followers, but no, I did not gain commissions. So I will say that it is very difficult to get out there if you're starting with this rug stuff from the bottom, because even where I'm at, the position that I'm at, the people that I know, I haven't really made much money. So yeah, it's pretty difficult, but don't lose hope. I would say, if you do want to get out there, be very consistent on posting your work on Instagram. I haven't done that, but I'm going to. But I just feel like at least these videos have helped me out. So either post on YouTube, post on Instagram. If you have a TikTok, do a TikTok. I don't have a TikTok, and I know I'm messing up there as well, because I know TikTok is popping off. But I will do that soon. And like I said, hopefully in the future I will make another video like this and see where I stand and compare it to this video. So yeah, I really don't know what else to say. Let's see, what am I hoping to get out of this rug tufting stuff? Well, obviously I want to make money, but if I don't make money, I don't mind. And if I just gained social media followers and subscribers on YouTube, then I'll take it. But yes, I am hoping to get money. At least what I'm hoping for at least is to get subscribers on my YouTube, and then from there on forward, obviously, like I said in the past, I'm a photographer, videographer. I used to vlog, continue with that, and hopefully start making money off of YouTube. I don't know much about YouTube. I don't know like how much money you'll make, but I mean, if that happens, I'll take it. Even if I don't make money off of this rug stuff, whatever, you know, it is what it is. That's a good question. Am I going to do this for a while? I don't think I'm going to do this for a while. Maybe till this pandemic stuff is over. Obviously, I have a lot of time on my hands. I do have a part-time job right now, but I do have a lot of time on my hands, so I thought this was a cool hobby. So I don't think I'm going to do this for a long time. I just feel like I'm going to do it until this pandemic stuff is over, and then, you know, just leave it. And if people hit me up randomly in the future asking for a rug and I still have some material and my gun still works and so on and so forth, then I'll go ahead and do it. Maybe in the future I'll charge much more, just because I won't be doing it consistently. But yeah, I'm hoping to do another video like this in the future, and if I do so, I'm definitely gonna ask you guys to ask me questions on Instagram. So if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram yet, follow me there at 95 shoots. That's NINETY 5 shoots, because I'm a photographer, videographer. But yeah, I mean, like I said, this video is kind of like a little bit all over the place. I just thought I'd do a sit down video and talk to you guys, and then hopefully in the future I'll make another video, and then we'll see where we stand then. So I think we're done here. One thing that I forgot to add on this video was the shipping stuff. I know a lot of you have been asking me to make a video on how I ship, so on and so forth. But as you guys know now, that I haven't done too many rugs, so I haven't really shipped anything. But I do have 3 rugs that I've done, and I'm gonna ship them out in the next couple days. So if you guys are interested in learning about that shipping stuff and how I'm gonna learn about shipping and what to do and what not to do. Stay tuned because that video will come up in the next couple days. So yeah, like I said, message me if you guys have any questions. I'm always willing to help. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Turn on your post notifications, and thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And with that being said, I think I'm out of here. So peace.